I'ma talk blues. Looking at me now, man, I'm changing all rules. Jumping in the booth, man, I still go smooth. And at the same time, yes, this is that dude. The same one from the tag more for my space. Looking at me now, man, get 'em out of my face. They swearing this a game like I'm steady chasing. But at the same time, man, that boy been racing. I got them boys stuck pacing. Wonder where the Jason looking at me now, I got the mind of amazing. You know that boy been blazing, but at the same time, nigga, man, I hear him hating. So when they jump on him, they gon' see the sensation. Now they understanding why I still touch that nation. You know ain't no segregation. Looking at me now, man, you know it's devastation. I feel it hard every time I jump on. That's why the young boy go on and still claim thrones. Yo, they claiming that I'm still unknown. Then tried to tell them boys that I've been on my grown man. We pause it on the tracks, they gon' take it back. You know we come through this bitch and eat it up how we act. So they know I playing sap, then looking at me now, man, they wonder what's happening. Thinking it's a game like that brain been rapping. Now they seeing that it's a game and I ain't capping. Thinking it's a game, man, I stay trapping. I'm off in the booth and you see that I'm loose. Waiting on my chances to give verbal abuse. Then try to tell them boys, man, I hang them with a loose end. You know they call me just a loose end.